Prague. What do you think of when you hear Prague? I used to think that Prague was the city of bridges and castles and really amazing churches. Well, I found out the hard way that it's the city of tourists. Maybe it was just the time that we went, or it's just become that way now. The entire city was filled with tourists. Early Friday morning, we left our home in France and we traveled to Geneva, Switzerland, where we took a plane via Swiss Airways to the Czech Republic and to Prague. This wasn't Jaden's first time on a plane, this is actually his second time. His first time was when he went to England with his mom. I couldn't go. But this is the first time that we're actually doing a family travel as a family. So Jaden was pretty good. The usual nags here and there, and well, as a child would, but nothing too serious. From there, we had our hotel chauffeur pick us up, and it was really nice. He had a sign with our name, and we got on it. They also provided a baby seat in the car, so we could safely transport Jaden with us as we went to the hotel. We chose a hotel that was close to the old town, but not inside the town or close to the train station. And also this hotel looked like it was really something that we would like. It was very vintage, very old, very styled, and there was a very warm atmosphere in there. The desk clerks spoke English very well, so you'll have no language barriers there. The hotel is called Hostel, and it's walking distance from everything you'd want to see in Prague, apart from the Prague Castle, where you'll have to take a train. Alright, so I said I'd talk about drone flying in Prague and my experience with that. I wouldn't call it an experience because I didn't experience flying my drone in Prague, because it's just not allowed to fly a drone in Prague. They're intersecting approach paths that are going over Prague. That's one of the reasons. The other reason is there's the famous Charles Bridge. Well, the city is just filled with tourists, so if you can fly a drone, it's a danger to everyone. Maybe. I've never had a drone fall out of the sky, but other people's drones have fallen out of the sky. So I'm just saying that as a general thing, that it could be a risk to other people that are unaware of your drone flying above them. And just beyond Charles Bridge is the Prague Castle, and just next to Prague Castle is a military establishment. Apart from that, they're rumored to be some anti-drone systems in place in Prague, and the airport as well. I won't touch into detail, but I'm just going to go with what I read, rumored. They have systems that can monitor your drone, can halt the drone flight, can also take take control of your drone. I would assume that this is just for DJI drones because DJI came out with a system similar to that can do that. But any other drones that don't run on DJI's software, they have hexacopters as well that are drone catchers. So I wasn't really going to take the risk and fly my drone and have that, have that happen to me and have a huge fine and, ruin the entire holiday experience, which was the first purpose of that trip, was to have a whole family thing. I really wanted to document everything, but that's just me being a creative person, visually trying to, document this, photograph it, make a video out of it. So don't let drone flying sort of hinder your travel if you can't fly. I was a bit, sad that I couldn't fly my drone, and it kind of brings to mind other people that are reckless with their drones. And I saw videos of people flying it right over Prague city, over streets. There's some other videos of people taking off like right in the middle of crowds. And yeah, those things screws it up for all of us. So yeah, disappointed. I couldn't have time to go outside of Prague, which would be in a safer place and an authorized place to fly my drone, because I just didn't have enough time. But overall experience was really nice. I managed to get more footage for everyone to see, but from the ground, and I hope that you like it.